been a minute since I last recorded, but hey, here I am. And I've decided that I want to go to Portugal tomorrow. It's kind of spontaneous, but kind of not. Like, I've been thinking about it for the last few days. I was like, I fancy going to Portugal. Like, I fancy getting away somewhere local, but like in Europe, that is not too far, but warmer than where we are now, here in London, because it's pretty cold. Although it could be worse. And yeah, so I was like, Portugal. I've never been to Lisbon. I have been to Portugal before. But yeah, I'm going to book that now because it's the night before I want to go. I have a tendency to sometimes not overindulge in hotels, but like hotels are like a big part of it for me. So sometimes I'm like, but I don't want to spend silly money on the hotel, given that I'm only going to go for 3 days, 3 nights, so 4 days. And so I'm going to need to explore. I'm going to be out of the hotel most of the time. I say that, but like the hotels I've picked are quite cute, the ones I'm going to choose from. And I've got like, let me just show it. So yeah, what I like to do is like, these little flags you can see here are some of the hotels that I'm picking between. And so just to get an idea of where they're located relative to like what's around the area and stuff like that, I've kind of just done that. And then this is one of the hotels. It's cute, it's alright. The Atlantis is really nice. So is the price. It's doing up nice prices. Epics. They're all around the 500, 550 mark. I'm saying that quite a few of them aren't. This one's 515. It might be like a nice NH midway between them. Anyway, I think I'll come back to you guys once it's booked. Hey guys, so I'm at the airport now, ready to fly off to Portugal. I think the last time we spoke I was booking still, but there was a lot of higgy hack going on, like a lot of, I can't decide, a lot of booking, rebooking. Well, not booking and rebooking, that's a lie, I just booked it, but yeah. So I picked the boutique hotel, which you probably would have seen in the intro. So I have arrived at the hotel. I checked in and everything, but I was given a room with like 2 single beds. I don't want that. Like, I'm on my own, but I want to enjoy my night's sleep and not be able to spread out. I'm supposed to be in a single bed. So they're just changing that up for me, so then I can get started, drop off my stuff. I might change, but anyway, we'll have this conversation not here in the lobby. Okay, time for a good old room tour. Oh, it's so cute already. Oh my god. This is so cute. Look at the little balcony. Oh, I've got the inside, not the city view. But still, it's very cute. Wardrobes. Let us take a look at the bathroom. Really giving me the Ned vibes, but very cute. So as you can see, I am now in my room. It is so pretty and I'm so glad I chose this hotel. Definitely have no regrets there. I'm knackered because I didn't sleep very much and I haven't eaten any food. So I think the first order of business is to go and get something to eat. Maybe do a little bit of walking, exploring. It's still quite early. It's 4 o'clock. It's not really that early, is it? But anyway, I can get like a good evening in. But yes, that's all I've done since you guys last saw me. I don't know if I've shown you guys my new bag. So yesterday, I bought myself a new bag. It's basically a Valentino rucksack. Now, I don't own a rucksack or a backpack, and I think it's an essential, like a nice leather backpack, because one that can also fit my laptop, my camera, things like that. So obviously I'm thinking about taking it around whilst I'm in Lisbon and things like that, but just in general, like if I'm going to a coffee shop and I need to take my stuff, it's not always a handbag. Like sometimes you just want something that you can throw on your back. Pack that up, repack, get all the stuff out that I don't need anymore, because obviously travelling. I might just take some stuff out of my suitcase so I can see what I've got, because I don't have that much. I'm so proud. This is the first time I think I've travelled with hand luggage only. Flabbergasted. But you know what? Those little suitcases can fit quite a lot. Also, I wasn't kidding when I said that quite a lot can fit in the hand luggage. So this is the size of my case. It's small. I've managed to fit this dress in, this dress in, this shirt, these shorts, this jumper, this skirt. Wait for it. This dress, these jeans, this top, this gym set. Well, just my gym trousers and top. Pair of shorts to wear underneath my skirt, and then dresses, like an all-in-one little thing. Hey guys, so I'm back in my hotel now. Dinner was really good. The prawns were okay, I'm not gonna lie, but the chicken was really good. I didn't get the dessert. I really wanted to. Like, I'm not joking. There was a chocolate gâteau there, and I think it was screaming my name, and I had to scream back, no, stop. I did actually book to go onto the bike tour tomorrow, so that should be fun. Also, it'll allow me to get to grips with the city a little bit more. So like, obviously I'm going to get to see quite a bit of it on the bike, the electric bikes. And then I can like navigate from there, spend the rest of that day. Because it's the morning, so tomorrow morning from 10. And then, yeah, I'll just explore for the rest of the afternoon. And then I'll have all of Tuesday. I have been trying to take those pictures. You know, there's bathrobe, hair pictures. Where's this one? There it is. And so that's why I'm like this. But I also need to hurry up and get on my bike. Like, literally hurry up and get on my bike, because I'm doing the bike tour today. So yeah, let's see if I've got any nice pictures. If not, we've got 2 more mornings to try this. I ordered this breakfast. I'm going to quickly eat as much as I can now and then order my Uber to get to the bike place. It's about 10 minutes away. And then, yeah, literally get on my bike. I'm going to wear something really comfy and then come back and change later. So yeah.
Fly up the hill. We're going to leave here in speed number 2. Now, because these bikes are different shape, we're going to go down this. Come down the statue again, you'll see an elephant. That's a short-eared elephant, small-eared, Indian. The Venetians, Italians controlled the spice trade before us. They arrive here around 744 the year. And the reason they settle on this side of the hill is because of the natural resources of water being.
Good morning, Crusty crew. I'm feeling really rough this morning. I think I have a headache or a really bad migraine. I think it's because on the first night I had a bad headache and I didn't allow myself to sleep enough. Like, I just didn't. Like, I woke up with a headache and I didn't sleep enough, and I think it's just caught up with me. So, and also I did about 20,000 steps in biking yesterday for 2 hours. So I think it was just all a lot. But I'm gonna get some breakfast and see how I feel and do a bit of walking around. I have a sunset tour later today, so we'll see how that goes. So I've just got myself one of these cards. Like, I think it allows me to go on the metro, the trams and things like that. I didn't have it before, but yeah. Hello dolls. I'm just getting ready to go out. Wow, so much has happened today. Like, I almost got taken out by a migraine this morning, as you guys probably would have seen. And then I went exploring, went to a few thrift shops, didn't really get anything, and then went to see the castle, which was cute. Then had to make a dash to get back to try and get ready for the boat trip that I went on. Fun. And then did the boat trip. You know what? It was good just because it was nice. It was on the boat and I met some really lovely Americans. But it was freezing cold and it was overcast, so that sunset wasn't sunning. Unfortunately, like, I think if I'd gone yesterday, I would have had a completely different experience, because yesterday the skies were clear, honey. They were clear. And so yeah. But that's it, and now I'm getting ready to go to a restaurant. I haven't booked it yet, but something palace. But yeah, we'll see what that's like, which is why I'm a bit more dressed up than I have been on this trip, because I don't want to say I've been slumming it, because I haven't been slumming it. I haven't. But obviously I haven't been like this clammed up, and I realised, like I told you guys, I can't actually wear heels here. I like to walk around. It's just, don't do it. You're gonna break all of the fibres in your body. Remember I told you. Come with cute flats. I say wedges, but I don't really like those. Cute flats, maybe docks, boots, heeled boots. Things that aren't pointed, definitely. Stuff like that. I need to get this cool off somewhere. Okay, I'm finished getting ready and then I'll see you in a minute. I thought I wasn't going to get a table. I just called them and I tried to reserve online, because before I felt like I could reserve, but maybe I was looking at the wrong day, and then I couldn't do it. And she was like, yeah, you only have a table at 10 o'clock. It's the only table we've got. So I was like, cool. Guess I'm going at 10. Also, this is like Southern Europe. Like, people eat dinner late. I've learned this because places don't open until like 7, some of them, for the evening service. But yeah, so it's 10 o'clock. I'm gonna probably go and get my Uber now, to be honest, and just maybe go to the bar or something. But yeah. Okay, so I'm back in my hotel now, and honestly, that food was delicious. Delicious. I had the tiger prawns with the shrimp risotto. I'm not even really a big risotto fan, but it was actually delicious. That's all I can say. And the wine that paired with it was delicious, and the pistachio ice cream was delicious. It's really all I can say. I'm now going to just pack up my stuff, because I really need to get ready tonight, because I want to go to Sintra. tomorrow, which is, I don't know why I picked the last day and the day I'm flying out to try to go to the furthest place possible. It's not quite, but yeah. So we'll see how it goes. If I wake up in time and everything's together, and off we go. If not, good morning. So I'm all ready to go now. It's my final day here. I'm decided I'm going to go to Sintra, so I'm just going to check out and then leave my luggage down there and then get on with the day. I think I'm gonna get the train there and then maybe get an Uber back. I'll see how I feel, but yeah, let's get on with it. I'm also hungry.